I got a lot of feedback from this one being so controversial with the gap ups. Yes, gap ups are real, and a lot of you guys know it, and a lot of people have actually been, coming to us and talking about this. I had somebody come at us about this one and saying that these gaps are nonsense. Don't pay attention to them. But when you got over 500 people watching you live right now, and we see this all day, all the time. And guess what? We talked about it over here on the 24th as well, right here with this area. And I said, watch for this gap to fill. And look at the day following up off of that, the 25th. You guys could not get past that 0.3. That 0.03, that high that we've talked about, it just could not work it through that 3. And it's tried a few times here. Just like I said, couldn't get through it. There seems to be another one right there around the 240, 0.240. But like I said, you guys gapped up right here on the 25th as well. Ended up pulling this thing all the way back down to the low of 0.153. With that being said, we've talked about this other gap, and we've been watching this one here for a while. And I said that if the volume continues to slow, could pull back fast and fill the gap at 0.136 and 0.149. Again, every single gap that you see here has now been filled right here. And I want to point this out. Right here, you guys go up. You guys gapped up. What did it do? Pulled back down. Moved up. Gapped up. This gap is still waiting here. Moved up here. Gapped down, showing a little bit of weakness. Closed. Right here, you guys opened up about the same. Closed down a little bit. Gapped up again. Then gapped up again. And then just pulled it all the way back down. Every gap has been filled now, except the 0.136 and 0.149. With that being said, this one is now setting at the 10-day simple moving average, 0.156, and the 10-day simple moving average is currently at 0.154. If that gives way, and you guys get a close below 0.154, I personally believe that it will go down and fill that gap at 0.136. If that doesn't hold, it will give it all back and go down to the 20-day simple moving average. That's going to be moving up over here. So like I said, everything's starting to look much better here, but I would really watch this volume right here. The volume right now, 7 million. The last 20-day average is at 19, but just yesterday, you guys had 31 million, and the day before that, 34 million. So that volume's starting to really slow down here. But it does return pretty quick here that we see on the 21st at 8 million. The following day off of that, a big spike at 34 million. Followed up by 31, and then it just dropped off again. So this volume can drop off, but it does come back right away as well. So again, support right now is going to be the 10-day simple moving average at 0.154. If that breaks, following up by 0.136. If that breaks, you guys will go down to 0.085, and you guys already hit the low today of 0.115. Not too far off of that. You can look at that as well. 0.015 can be a support. We will put that one in there as well because that's going off the open on 417. But like I said in the beginning, we've went over this one 4 times, and Joe has not been here for any of those. So I'm interested to see what Joe can add for this one for the first time.
All right, so with this one right here, I mean, their authorized shares are 250 million. With the float as of April 19th being 81,412,015 shares. That's not a bad size float. All right, so they had a press release on April 12th. It was Innovativ Media Group acquires Cananet TV. So Innovativ Media Group Incorporated, a multimedia content producer and distributor, today announced that it has acquired the media assets of Cana TV OU and will be launching a new online ad-supported platform and channel, Cananet TV, which will stream curated and original entertainment, informational, and educational video content related to the cannabis and CBD culture and industries. Cananet TV will program a broad mix of live action and animated series, new shows, specials, music videos, and tutorials on an independent platform, and expects to eventually offer interactive and e-commerce applications. Successful new video networks require large, organized communities and clearly defined audiences, and we believe the burgeoning cannabis space will enthusiastically respond to and support a professionally programmed and managed channel, said CEO Tom Coleman. Coleman continued, when these assets become available, we moved fast as they will give us a foundation to jumpstart and develop the network. We expect the platform will be an attractive advertising medium for a wide range of cannabis and CBD-related businesses, products, and services looking to target customers, which to date have a limited online advertising options. So CannaNet TV is scheduled to be first available in the fourth quarter of 2017. So that's their latest press release. That was on April 12th. Also, what I'm seeing right here is from their March 18th, it was Innovativ Media post record 2016 financial results. So I'm just going to go back to that real quick, and it's got it all bullet pointed, which is good. So Innovativ Media Group, a multimedia content producer and distributor today, or March 8th, announced record results for its fiscal year ended December 31st. Company revenues increased over 88% from $98,792 to $185,995, and the EBITDA increased by over 2,200% from $1,880 to $43,552. The highest in company history. The company has posted 6 quarters of successful earnings since acquiring the Innovativ Media Entertainment assets in mid-2015. So the ING media assets provide the company with a stable and reliable base from which we intend to build upon in the coming months with several new projects we have been developing, said company CEO Tom Coleman. So like he said, I mean, if you go back on that, and he says he's got a bunch of things in the works, which if you go to the recent press release, they're acquiring Canna TV. So, I mean, there's obviously a lot of things to take in and do your due diligence on. So if you're willing to do so, go right over to that INMG board. From there, you will see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, taking a look at it right now. Like I said, it's already at 0145. So when we start looking at this one, is at 0155. If volume continues to slow and breaks the 10-day simple moving average at 0154, which is currently at 0153 because those fluctuate with the price per share. If it breaks that, in my opinion, it's going to fill the gap. It's going to fill the gap at 0136, and 0149 will fill resistance at 0174, 0240, support at 0154, 0136, 0174. And then where are we at off of that? And 0085. So I'm going to need to adjust that a little bit here where that low was, 0174. I'm just making sure that we have that correctly. 0015. I apologize. That is the one. I put that one in there wrong. Just got to correct that. That was going to be the low. So you're going to have that support at 0136, then 0115 and 0085. INMG. If you follow the stock, make sure you get out there and share it. And subscribe if you haven't. Share it on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. That's what we're going to be looking for here. If you'd like to participate, you can join us at investorshangout.com/live.